Fold a mist blue pipe cleaner in half. Take another one, bend it at the 9 cm mark, and wrap it around the first pipe cleaner once to secure. Wrap the longer end upward in a loop, then fold it down and twist it with the shorter end to fix in place. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Bring both ends downward and use another piece to wrap and secure them together. Trim, leaving about 2 cm of pipe cleaner. Repeat to make a total of 6 petals. Take a dark green pipe cleaner and divide it into 3 equal parts. Use one section and bend it at the 3.5 cm mark. Cross the 2 ends and twist them tightly together. Shape into a curved sepal. Repeat to make 5 sepals. Apply glue to the top of a floral stem and attach the 6 petals one by one. Take a small piece of mist blue pipe cleaner and bend it into a loop about 0.5 cm in diameter. Take 8 light yellow stamens, trim them to keep the tips, and glue them into the center. Attach the 5 sepals around the flower base, about 2 cm below the petals. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.